Our philosophy is that minimally invasive, reliable, and innovative products are the key to improving oral health globally. They allow clinicians to care for patients to the utmost of their ability. They make restorations last longer, procedures more conservative, and patients happier and healthier. That's why our core values of integrity, care, quality, innovation, and hard work aren't merely aspirational but are ingrained in everything we do. Our success is evidence that our customers and partners around the world share the same values. Your experience and the challenges you face drive us to research and develop science-based, trustworthy solutions. We've vertically integrated our disciplines of chemistry, engineering, automation, robotics, marketing, and more, so we can consistently create high-quality products. Both inside and outside the dental community, we put people first. We give back by donating to humanitarian efforts and committing ourselves to sustainability. Our employees, partners, and customers are our priority, and we're proud to work alongside you to improve oral health globally and make the world smile. Ultradent Products, improving oral health globally.